Hello grade 12, this is task 7.11 in your textbook on page 339. Okay, so this is for Opticon CC. It's a question on auditing, okay, which is very important. This question is quite detailed, but you do get aspects of this in exams. As a senior bookkeeper, you have been given the task of verifying all the fixed assets of Opticon CC. The business owns the following, and those are listed. Provide a detailed explanation of how would you go about verifying each of the above three fixed assets. Now, this is also these verification procedures are also used by both internal auditors and external auditors. So even if you get a question on how an internal or external auditor can verify fixed assets, these are the type of answers that you can use. You may print this out and paste it in your workbook or keep it on your phone for future reference. Okay, so for land and buildings, if the property is fully owned, you would verify this with title deeds. Make sure that the deeds are kept in a safe place, so either at the bank or in the safe. If a bond was taken out of the property, check the bond details, repayments, and the interest being charged. The bond amount would also be on the balance sheet, so you could also go look at the bond statement and then go and look at the balance sheet to verify that the amount on the balance sheet is the same as the bond. Ensure that the interest charge is the lowest available. Many financial institutions offer attractive deals with lower interest payments. So this is internally, you would make sure that the interest charge is the lowest. Okay, confirm that the entries in the fixed asset register are up to date. Check the condition of the buildings. Get the services of a professional to do this. Report to management and advise. So this would be if repairs, etc. need to be done. Compare the balance sheet value with the current market value. A property evaluator can advise on this, just so that you are aware of what the market value is. Ensure that the property is properly and fully utilized. Unused property should be left or sold. So if there is excessive or unused space, it can be used for rent income. So it shouldn't be wasted. Okay, then for vehicles, we're going to check the invoices to ensure that the fixed asset register is up to date so that any new vehicles have been recorded. Reconcile the register with invoices and do a physical count. So actual count of the number of vehicles compared to the fixed asset register. Ensure that the depreciation is applied correctly and is calculated at the applicable rate. Analyze running costs per vehicle and advise management. This is very important for you guys as you're going on to other questions, and you'll see this coming up a lot in the past papers about running costs per vehicle. Remember, older vehicles have higher maintenance costs than newer vehicles. Check insurance details, ensuring the premiums are paid, so premiums on the vehicles, and ensure that that there is proper utilization. Okay, so that the employees are not using the vehicles for personal use, etc. Okay, so vehicles that are not in use must be sold, and any vehicles which are old must be replaced. Okay, then for equipment, okay, again we will check invoices to ensure that the register is up to date. Reconcile the register with the invoices and do a physical count. Ensure that depreciation is applied correctly, is calculated. Okay, so you can see that there's a repetition here between equipment and vehicles. So basically check invoices with the fixed asset register, do a physical count, check the depreciation. Okay, and then analyze the running costs. Okay, especially something like computers must be updated on a regular basis, and also any obsolete equipment must be sold or scrapped. Check insurance details, ensure the proper and efficient utilization. Okay, and again private reasons are not allowed, and ascertain that all equipment is fully utilized. That which is not being used can be sold or traded in for better equipment. Okay, so please keep this question on hand. It's a good question to go through just when you're revising. As you do questions from past papers, these answers will come easier to you as well. Bye.